Easy TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Isato chabono mogoroba lituko lia Jumapili chitariki 15 na isato na gusogera umunchu murigeria ande onse asogena tokoba gukubwa temerobili tukuruba kiete gukira chinga kibune chekerenga ekerana na gyo komera namuna embeo nokanekena nyare koba ingo komanya mange kobwatera namuna baliki baitoba mangana mayiheri nde nyare koba gukwemanya nganyare koba gagwateka kurwa chingongo aona mange toko aliganire tingure nandase kagitali getambe nyare koba toko sanga muna senchere bokira. Wetrasa mtandao Facebook ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube ndizi TV News na wetre website ya www.ndizitv.net na boko ya bwatia amaya aya na bwigemero bali tokene tokabuto kwaregereria chinsemerongo ebere na nyamatuka 5 na bere ya wiki saramo manye sema ya kabere kwenekia unachibi cha munere kichago chira senchire bwikero ile ngoro kwa Jos fata mesingo kwa alga tinyara kwa batoko sanga amanaye kurumo chakano goikera omoelio toko hiyachaka amaya anene kurase sekta yobo chenu nigo aba Kenya banyare koba bakoboliwa banyare koba maiso na kwenekinga banyare koba gwetangano kwambukiriwa kwa oboruire bwa mpox sose mangi box nigo bono chi serikali chi county cha boligwe waigo koba maiso kogwetekana no kogendra gwateka kwa oboruire bwa mpox ase boigo baboligwe kogwaterana ne wizara yobo chenu ye serikali enene kwana sumo yega bwa masabo ye kanisa ya PCA chuka homanyakiro gwe komiti yobo chenu ase abagabana uyoboigo ori mugabana otarakanite mudome njuki niga enekire buna nigo omorobelio omoikirano hobekirwe elio korenda na korotota okwambokerwa koboroire obwobwa mpox aya nigo hachire Magaye county ya Kisii na boigo elia Kiambu koraria okoba okwa abakagerwa babwate oboruire obwo ni obo kwambukirwa korwa ase chingitu choro sana egati yabo ebikondo agochia ase mwanya bantu nigo bono haba Kenya bakureirwe koba maiso na kwene kianga banyare koba bagwetanga amuno kwambukirwa kwa oboruire obwo.
Bwana moderator, katika Kenya saa hii kuna ugonjwa ambaye imepatikana. Hii ugonjwa zamani sana hapa tulikuwa tunaita kidhuku. Mwisho kidhuku. Itakuwa smallpox. Lakini saa hii imepatikana ingine iko na nguvu kuliko smallpox. Inatoka kwa wanyama. Zamani ilikuwa inaitwa monkeypox. Lakini saa hii imetolewa monkey ikawekwa M, inaitwa mpox. Hii ugonjwa ni hatari sana. Kwa sababu katika watu 100 wale wanaipata 6 ama 10 wataenda. Inashika sana sana watoto wadogo na wale wazee. Hawa wengine wako katikati sio sana. Na wale wako na immune system iko chini pia inawalemea. Na hiyo ugonjwa inapatikana sana kwa wale watu huwa na deal na wanyama kama kule Kongo. Hapa kwetu pia kuna watu ambao huwa naenda kukichakani kwenda kuwinda. Wengine wameweka wanyama kama wao nyumbani zao. It is only one of the few diseases ambayo inakuwa transmitted kutoka mnyama kuja kwa binadamu. And it is very dangerous. Na kwa sababu hatuna vaccine saa hii, and we have no way of preventing it. Ile tumeamua kufanya kama serikali ni kutoa kitu inaitwa awareness. Ujue, ili tukipata mtu mmoja ako nayo kwa etora ama in the village, usianze kufikiria kwamba hakuna shida, wacha tumuonyeshe mapenzi, tumfurahie. Ukipata mtu ambaye ako na ile ugonjwa inakaa kama ile kidhuku, ile smallpox, kama ametravel kutoka Nairobi, kutoka Mombasa na pale ingine, tumesema vile tulikuwa tunafanya wakati wa corona, tunamfanyia isolation mpaka apone, kwa sababu akishikisha kijiji mzima itakuwa shida. So right now tunaomba muendelee kunawa mikono, kutumia sabuni, na wale wanapatikana nayo usiseme huyu ni wetu, wacha tumfungie blanketi, ndio waonyeshe mapenzi, lakini they must be isolated ili isishike kijiji mzima, hospitali zetu zijae kuliko vile zinafaa kukua. Awareness kwamba hiyo ugonjwa iko na tusichezee, kwa sababu inaweza turudisha pahali tulikuwa zamani before we got the vaccine.
Tugotigana na roboti oruo rurengete sekta yobo chenuni gomuraibwense William Ruto litwerero anyara kobaga kora omoyega bwoko bekerwa chigutwa gocha saborokia osaborokiwa ase University ya East Africa baratani gotoka se county ya Nandi gokona kurwase chinsame choni goruta nyale kobaga kwegerera omorobiri wo monchoreria yanyalete kobaga kwene kechinka ki alengo mo waziri bwe chisemi asanyalete kobaga gogesukia ekerengo gie chinka ki abana baranyara koba koba isiko maiga ya barabwo gokora chisemi cha secondary korengana nere myake bere nigo yalenge menge kigima asabana gotigara isiko nabo igo kyane kerengo ekiona kwene kya ise yemetenyi etatu nigo baranyara koba bagosoa ase chiskuru chechi university lebanyara koba bakogendera amono moroberio obo bwe chisemi no moroberio atebire osanyara koba kwene kingonyalete koba gokwamerirwa kigima kurende nigo onyalete koba goikiranigwa nabo iga banke bakagokera echinga kibono onyalete koba gochaka emeremo.
We had students waiting for almost 2 years before they could join university. When I became Minister for Higher Education, I decided that it was time to eliminate this challenge that had been with us for a long time and nobody wanted to make the decision because it was difficult. When I made that decision and provided the leadership for us to get out of that conundrum, I received a lot of flack. But because it was the right decision, we implemented it. Today, many of our students are beneficiaries, that they can complete their higher education this year and join university next year. And we stopped the hemorrhage in our education system of many students who, staying at home for 2 years, ended up getting married and ended up not pursuing higher education.
Chingaki echecha somoyega oyo moraibwense William Ruto ni gonyale kobaga kolieira bune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nechikobaga kwena na egetambukiro neri bagari ya bene gochia sabana bali abakurwase chinga chitari koba chikwenyara banyale koba bagusirwa asomoroberio bwe kwenyora chisemi chechi university weterase omoroberio bwekeganja kya help gokwana ase ense mogosase university eyo ya Baraton nigo Ruto atebire kubatakana no kubwato koboya kwa marube ayara chikobaga kwena nali bagali okwelikia kwa aborokiwa sechi university abo igokurwa ekerenga giechibesa gose ekerenga giechibesa ekira chikobaga koganiwa kera ase kosi nenchera eyamo yeserikali koigwa ebirero byaba Kenya elinde banyale koba bakwenda kiabuna abana boigwa banyale koba kwanyolera chisemi chingikirano ase chiskuru chechi university.
I am also persuaded that we need a funding model that is not focused on the university but focused on the student. A funding model that will not leave any child in Kenya behind. A funding model that recognizes that there are children from vulnerable families. I don't think it is correct for all of us to assume that we are all the same and that students from vulnerable families don't need affirmative action. They do. And that is why, in this new model, we are increasing scholarship and loan for students from vulnerable families from 80% to 95%. I am persuaded that it is the right thing to do. And so, as it was difficult before, so it is now, but the right decisions need to be made anyway. We will celebrate them further down the road. To the class of 2024, I congratulate you on your hard work and achievement. I wish you success as you go forth into the world. Practice your professions and actualize your great potential for the benefit of your families and your nation. I pray fervently that your wisdom, integrity, and strength increase as you put your knowledge and skills to the service of God, our Creator, our nation, and to our fellow citizens. Thank you very much. My very best wishes. Well done. God bless you.
Gati yabarai habanyara kwa wikirana somo yega oyoboko bekerwa chigutua no muwaziri wechisemi Julius Migosi banyara kobaga kogokera ebitambokera serikali nyere kobage koira na kwenekenya nyere kobe gusira omurobelio moya wechisemi OCBC kolengana nera nigatebrenga na chikoba kobe kumukia na kwenekia buna amoncherelio hayera chikoba kwenekiwa a sector yechisemi hayare koba amaikira no kurwa se skuru elia junior secondary which is senior secondary nabo igomorobelio mogima wechisemi imense ya Kenya.
Your Excellency, the value-based education is in fact a critical pillar of both the competency-based curriculum and the competency-based education and training that we continue to roll out in our education system under your very able leadership. I am confident that once the new curriculum runs full cycle across all the levels of education, our education system will cement its place in the world as one of the best. As part of this process, we are working with our universities to ensure that they are ready for the CBC cohort in 2029. As we do this, we are also implementing various reforms that are designed to enhance access, equity, and quality across all the levels of our education system. These include the student-centered funding model for higher education. Your Excellency, we have reoriented the processes under the funding model to make it more responsive to stakeholder concerns. As we gather here today, students due to join universities are receiving their revised admission letters, clearly indicating their respective household contributions to their fees. All public universities would have completed this exercise by tomorrow, the 19th of August, 2024. In addition, Your Excellency, to enhancing access and equity in higher education financing, the student-centered funding model also seeks to revitalize our public universities and to place them on a path to sustainability. What our universities must do, however, is also to take deliberate measures to assure their own relevance and sustainability.
Asense moya ye omo vice chancellor omo ya uyunyara kobaga kwaligani wabene se university ya serita Professor Jackson Musafiri yanyara kobaga kogokera maliganya maikiranu ayanyara kobaga konyanyorali tukolia lero ni go Musafiri anyari kobaga kwirali bagali ye Professor Philip Mayo binyale ko bagakora agakoena na obokoreri bwa bubotenendi bwe university muno mo vice chancellor asemia kemenge yanyale ko bagegoitana nabo professor Msafiri iganyala ko bako kirobo koreri obya obanyale ko bokone kigwa se university ya semia kayanyale ko bagegoeta nere kulira ngana ko bagagotingyo bokoreri no botenendi bwe university ya East African Baraton.
I am deeply humbled by the warm welcome I have received from the entire university fraternity. I come into this role as a fellow worker and team leader, fully aware that the success of your institution is the result of our collective efforts. Each person's role, whether large or small, is crucial to our shared mission. The reception I have received reinforces my confidence that I will have the full support and cooperation of every member of UEAB community. Together, we will advance our mission, uphold our values, and ensure that our university remain a beacon of excellence in education and services. Together, as we look forward, let us remember that the true strength of our university lies not just in the infrastructure or in the numbers, but in the spirit of collaboration, innovation, and excellency that each of us bring to our roles. It is this spirit that will guide us as we continue to scale new heights and make a lasting impact to the lives of our students and the broader community. I would like to pay special tribute to our outgoing Vice Chancellor, Professor Philip Maio. Under Professor Maio's leadership, our institution has undergone an extraordinary transformation. His vision and commitment have
Nero mukanyi bomorai bwenserigathi gashawa niganyale kobaga ko kurera abarayane n'abanyale koba gochorwa amuna bananchi banyale koba kumurikira echinchira abara chikoba wikirane chira chamagande kyo banyale koba bakoliera abali babachorete echinga kibale koba bakoliya chikura gukwana asomo ya wenyanki ayeme yanyale koba korakana asorogongorwa centro nigo gashawa tebere abakenya abange nigo barachikoba bakora monchiri asobo choryo bonene bwechikora burachikoba kwani ku mwaka w'ikirubere na 2025 ne bere nigo boigo anyane koba gagosemia barayane kurwa sorogongorwa centro anyara koba kubwaterana amona bananchi heli banyara koba bagotegerera ebikuru byabo no kumburugani kwabo igoro y'ichinchira habaraya bataranyara koba gwikirania chiro chamagendera.
And as we prepare tukienda hii uchaguzi tunaenda hii uchaguzi itakuwa kali sana. Najua mimi ni mtu ya kusikiza ground. Some serious decisions have already been made. By this December, ulisikia nikisema siku nilikuwa Inoro. By this December, decisions will have been made on who is coming back and who is going home. And after December, you cannot change anything. So wale wamepotea njia between now and December, ujaribu kufanya nini? Coordination. Na mimi ni mudi ya ground, mimi nasikiza sana. I always listen to the people, but what I know is that watu wetu wamerefuka sana. People are very intelligent. Naweza kuona watu wamenyamaza. Unafikiria tu wako tu pale hakuna kitu wanajua. Unawadanganya, wanakuangalia tu. They don't say anything. Especially hii watu ya hii mlima Kenya. Kama wataki wewe unajua wasemi. They just keep quiet. Ukiona hii watu ya mlima Kenya wamenyamaza na hawaongei, hawakupigii kelele, hawasemi wewe kwenda, wamenyamaza tu. Wewe ujue mambo yako yamefanya nini? But when you hear they are making noise, wagali wako na hope that unaweza rekebisha.
Nigo abarai gosegati abarai korwa sobo mubwazi mio bakora wa mono morai wikiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kasentunende wanyane kobaba gwesokia na komochia okworo siwa wa serikali ya obwa mugago kwana ase kaunti ya Embu Kalonzo nigo atebire ogochakiwa kwa serikali iyo nigo gwatuguterare amaganyo yanyarete kobaga gochakiwa yo kwemurungania ne kiombekele kiabasai ya Gen Z yanyare koba gago siekererwa isko nigo nyara koba goikirana somo yaga wa masabo imeya county iyo ya Embu aseboigo omorai bwekiama giboigo gia DAP anyara koba gago tebani go barabuobu na ensemeri azimia tigarite rajikoba go sire kiombe kyo ya Gen Z na kwana kiabuna ba Kenya banyare koba goikirani gwa hamaganio abo ayo banyare koba bakoyabika mutu ba serikali.
And no matter what may have happened thereafter, formation of the so-called government, broad-based government, which has not taken into account the concerns of the Gen Z, we think that that is an act of futility. It is a betrayal, actually a betrayal. It's like kicking the youth on their teeth. Na kuambia mutadu. So this government of so-called broad-based government is riding on the death of our children. And nobody has even dared to look behind and say, what happened? So from Embu, we want to show solidarity with the people of Embu who came out and demonstrated. The right to demonstrate is guaranteed under the Constitution. Now these are the rights that Mzee Kibaki gave, and some of us were privileged to be standing next to him when we saw allegiance to Constitution 2010.
Important to also say that when you talk about my party leader Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, his mind is also clear. Aliambia watu wa dunia hii hasa hapa Mount Kenya, musiugane, musiende kwa UDA, kuna shida. Sasa hawezi kuwa yeye ndio anaambia mtu mwingine asiaende waungane naye kwa serikali. You just need to add 1 + 1. There's no way he will be and those double speaks are not good for leadership. They are in UDA and we are not there. Uhuru has not instructed any of us to go and join a government that is unconstitutional. 1, 2, serikali ambayo yeye mwenyewe majonzi yake ni kwamba watoto waliuawa kiholera, wengine wajulikani walipo.
We are going to stand with the Gen Zs, with the millennials, with the people of Kenya who are saying Ruto must.
Alright, roboti oro ruabarayi ba obomo bwazimi mwanchumo ligerelia na rogoto ikia omwelio wamangana maya senchira yobo ikerno maragoba yabono ngwa kerangambia muna soko ni kinga kwanyara koba gogo sanga amuna intwe amayaya nemerobeli togan tokoba to kwaliga ni megata seni Kiandizi TV baliki baito bamangana maya baganta boigo kwenekia ngabanyara koba ba kwebusora sekerenga gyoko ya sangelia tonyara koba to sanga amonaye mbiye mono kegima na inwe ase ogweto mameni bwa mbara bagana tokawa gotogwate gwetera senchira yemitandao Nelson Mochoge kurwa ase ensemo ya Kiogoro watanga following. Asante sana umulisa Nelson kurwa chisemo cha Kiogoro Pius Osore chamani yechi sanoko kurwa chisemo cha Gesere awatabanga nonde imeyama echinga kiboigo Dolin Kemunto Mwenga ishabikiri na kigima kurwa sensemo eria ya Kebrigo hagotabe maragoba ya bono no bagena tukoba koligeria mayaya ichisa isato amona mamu mwabo Perista na my brother Newton na sister Vera abo bagotoka chisemo kiria chia Sironga. Asante sana umongi na Perista na boigo Newton na Revera kwaneke ngamanyare kwa muko ya ligeria amaya aya na boigo merobeli imegeta seni Kiandizi TV Paul Muragwa kuruchisemo cha Sauti Mugrango atangatanya kuborwa imeya egeta seni Kiandizi TV Ruth Nyabutuk kuruchisemo cha Saudi Arabia awatabanga tuned in Venerable Tambetanya Komochana boigo Dolin was a Dolphin Mura watching live. Asante sana mashabiki ito mayakegi mahia kwa nekinga nagene tukawa kubatia emirobelio yaito yegeta seni Kiandizi TV konya begeta seni Kiandizi TV tobaganirie uborigelio bya bwa emirobelio ekobwatia ekambi ya Kebrigo Central mambia egochaka tobaganirie amaya Dolin chika kimugo chake kambi ritukoliangio amaya tobaganirie mutwarogo sasima okuya wekirago mwancho moligeria timbwati aliati gale tuli nyarakoba kwena kiabu na chibicha manero gichago chera senchire bukiranu nigakoro kwa Sara Momanyi eliana ngoro kwa Josephat Amesi na kuganirio buligirio buyana boigo obotuko obotwereru nyasa tuanjire tomera nankyo ime yemanye Jumatatu utwara obotuko obotwereru.